Hey, it's been a while since I made spaghetti, so I thought we could do that together. Welcome to Eric's Cooks. All right. A little messy from this morning when I was making grilled cheese. Had a little bit of a cheese incident. But we got our pan here, so that's the first step. Let's get the water going. Alrighty. Put a little salt in there. We're gonna be frying up some beef. So when I add beef, I normally add another can of sauce, so it'll be 2 sauces. I only got 1 can of sauce left. It's hard to keep the right ratio of spaghetti to sauce, you know? Whoa. Let's open these up. Got one open. All right, that's 2. We're cooking with gas now, literally. You know they make protein pasta. It costs more, but you know it's got protein. So, all right, I gotta get the meat going. But I use the pan, so I gotta wash it. Man, don't you hate that? All right, that's good enough. Okay, maybe not. Just a little bit more. Okay. Let's turn this light on. I got this 93% lean ground beef from Aldi's. It's like an Aldi's like 2 blocks away, so I just that's where I go now. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighbor. Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor? Oh man, choose this guy, I guess. I had one of my wood spatulas that I used the most broke. It just snapped. These are pretty thick, so. It takes about 12 minutes for the water to boil, and then another 12 minutes for the spaghetti to cook. So the quickest time that you can have spaghetti is about 25 minutes. What I've been doing is putting some of this on it. Just, regular seasoned salt. I don't know if it really makes that much of a difference. It all gets mixed in anyway. I guess I could empty the dishwasher. It's getting to the point where I can almost put the spaghetti in. Yeah, let's go ahead and put it in. Set the timer for 12. Oh man. All right. I'm gonna wash this. Push these down, get in there. There you go. I just remembered something from today. That's funny. It's stupid. I'm not gonna say it, but still, it's funny. All right, so that's pretty much good. All right, I'll pause it and come back. I'm gonna make myself a little salad while I wait. So I just got my bag of spinach right here. Shredded cheese. Oh crap, I gotta turn this off. And then some gluten-free Italian dressing. Or not gluten-free, but I had a guy over here who was, so I got it for him. Alright, now let's pause. Okay, the alarm's about to go off. So I'm going to turn this off, pour the water out. Up. These handles get hot on the stove, on this gas stove, so I have to use stuff. All right, let's put one of these in. Oh, let's put the meat in first. Okay, okay. Hold on a second. Okay, so that's done. Now let's put this in on top. Okay. Okay, good. Now we're almost there. When the light hits your eyes, it's a big pizza pie. That's amore. Look at that. Delicious spaghetti with beef. Put a little cheese on top. And then just a little bit on top to melt the cheese. And there you go. We got spaghetti.